What's going on YouTube? This is my very first food review from a place called Halal Gyros. I'm in Rosedale, Maryland right now. There's a patient first over here and whatnot, but I got the food. Let's give it a try. First off, we got the chicken gyro. Never had one of these before, so hopefully this will be busted. Give you a look at the food real quick. Oh, I'm sorry, this camera's all that right there. Let me get a better angle real quick. Let me turn the camera around. You see what she's looking like. Alright, so pull the medical mask. You can't be too safe nowadays, you know. But first bite. Excuse me, it's a little messy. So I got him to put the spicy sauce on there, the red sauce. First impression, very spicy. It handles really well with the tzatziki. I'm impressed. But I got another dish, but I'll try that dish later. But chicken gyro, 9 out of 10.